Introducing the Vibrating Anal T, a unique, powerful, multi-speed anal stimulator made of PVC. This is a soft, jelly-coated vibrator with a plastic end cap. The shaft is 3¼ inches long and 1 inch wide. The Anal T has 2 side prongs which make it safe for anal play. It's easy to use. Just twist the dial on the end cap to power on and change the speed of the vibrations. Your Vibrating Anal T uses 1 AA battery and is bright pink. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your anal T with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. For complete anal stimulation, experience the Vibrating Anal T.